My observation is that everyone, like literally everyone on YouTube, is raving and talking about the new M1 iPad Pro. Whilst this may be a viable option to many of you guys out there, let's not forget the Tab S7 Lite / Fan Edition is just around the corner. Look, let's be honest, all of this would be incredibly boring without any leaks and rumors. Agreed? Yes? No? And Samsung may still be deciding on a name. We don't know. Maybe it's Tab S7 Lite XL, Tab S7 Lite full stop, Tab S7 Fan Edition Lite, whatever, Tab S7 Plus Lite. I mean, why don't we just send in some names and help them out? Or maybe the other option is they already know and we just don't know. Okay, so we know it has a 750G Snapdragon in, 4GB of RAM, 5G capabilities. It has the same battery than a Tab S7 Plus, so that is cool. And although the 4GB of RAM is confirmed, we do expect and suspect, because we are just like that suspicious, we think a 6GB of RAM version is also on the horizon, especially with the new accessory that has been spotted and confirms a lot. Intriguing, isn't it? I know, that's why we are here, because we want to intrigue you. Oh yeah, for all you productivity lovers out there, including myself, so we are like that, this option may be just for you. By the way, it is an LCD screen built in and doesn't have the Super AMOLED screen. What did you think? It's a $450 tablet. It doesn't come with AMOLED. Not even Apple does it with their 2500 iPad Pro. No, it doesn't have an AMOLED either. Oh my god, I did it. I said it. What? We're not allowed to say that? Well, why not? It's true though. Hate comments? Oh. Okay, so you love your productivity? Well, you know what? I don't blame you. It is flexible, it is compact, soon maybe foldable. The new Tab S7 Lite, or whatever it is called, comes with a new keyboard cover, I think it's called book cover keyboard. And this is what it looks like. Hold on, don't go anywhere, because this keyboard is more telling than what you just see here. And I quickly compared it with the Tab S7 book cover keyboard, cover book, you know what I mean. And there are two things you should know about. Number one, it does not have a trackpad. So it's kind of a half-half situation here. It's product segmentation. Yes, we see this everywhere, and overall, it's something we have to put up with. Number two, the S Pen is stored behind the keyboard cover. It's like kind of tucked away. We've seen this on the Tab S7 Lite, and you can put it here on the back of the Tab S7 Lite XL Fan Edition Plus, whatever it's called, but it has a gap, a strip thingy, a hole, so it can't fall out, so that's why it's there. But there is more. It has a dedicated DeX button, and this is one of the major reasons why I believe this is a productivity tool or geared towards people like you and me. I hope this is okay if I put ourselves in the same category here. Productivity lovers, of course, and that would correlate with the bigger version that has been rumored. Kind of, well, am I saying actually bigger is better? Or am I saying bigger is a better productivity? It's a pretty bold statement, but what I do know is that the new keyboard cover book cover keyboard is almost identical to the Tab S7 Plus keyboard I have here. It is almost identical. If you look it up, it's pretty much the same. What does it tell us? It tells us size matters, and it tells us, pretty much confirms the size of the tablet going forward. The S Pen is included, and we already know it comes with DeX, right? Because there's no point having a dedicated DeX button on the keyboard if it wouldn't come with DeX, otherwise it would be just a gimmick. I do pay attention, you know. Okay, release date. I know that many of you guys are waiting and asking in the comment section, when will it be released? And it will be released in June. I would state the first half of June. So this is 30th, 31st of June, be here. The first 14 days of June, then it will be released. And yes, we will test it for you. The heck, we will test it for you. All of it. Hey, if you like these short burst update videos, that's a tongue twister here. Please subscribe. I mean, what's the harm, right? What's the harm? There's no harm done. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts. As always, peace out.